How do you make a fast prototype and make it as a production-ready product? You can go for off-the-shelf cameras. So if you look at our product portfolio, we have a wide range of cameras in USB 3.0, MIPI cameras, GMSL cameras. You can choose the off-the-shelf camera, which already has an image signal processor inbuilt into it, and you have a wide range of interface options as well. To start with, you can go for a USB 3.0 camera and start your evaluation. These are UVC cameras. You can connect into a PC, and it can use the default driver, whether it is a Windows or Linux. It can work with the default driver. You don't need any additional driver for these UVC cameras. So that will give you an idea about what kind of image quality you are getting with this camera. And then if you want to continue with USB, you can continue with USB. And if you want to switch to a MIPI or GMSL camera, then it is possible. That all our USB cameras are also available in MIPI and GMSL interface as well. When it comes to NVIDIA, one of the interesting aspect of NVIDIA processor is that supports multiple cameras. It supports up to 6 cameras. In some cases, we can even have 8 cameras. And Econ Systems provide multi-synchronized camera support for all the NVIDIA platforms. One of the latest launch which we did is 6 GMSL camera for the Xavier platform. And we do have cameras for every single application. If you are looking for a global shutter camera, we do have an option both in monochrome and color. If you want to have a stereo camera for your AGV application, we do have cameras for it. If you are looking for HDR, GMSL, IP rated, IP67 rated enclosure cameras, we have the options. So this way, these are pre-certified cameras. So all our cameras are pre-certified, designed for certification. So you can take it to the market as it is. You don't have to make any further development with that.